Sponges are the simplest multicellular and bottom-dwelling organisms. Like all other organisms, the sponge produces new offspring by the process of reproduction. Sponges are generally hermaphrodite and they reproduce asexually and sexually. During sexual reproduction, sponges release male gametes called sperms into the water through ossiculum. A sperm consists of a round, nucleated head and a vibratile tail, by the lashing movement of which it moves in water and reaches other sponges through ostia. Fertilization in sponge is internal. The sperm enters a choanocyte cell, which lies adjacent to the mature ovum. The sperm loses its tail and becomes round and then fuses with the mature ovum to form a zygote. The zygote undergoes various divisions and forms parenchyma or amphiblastula larva. Which leaves the sponge, settles on the substratum and grows into a mature sponge. Hence, phylum Porifera are the simplest and diverse taxon of benthic aquatic animals. They are the earliest branching metazoan taxon and have great significance in the evolution of the metazoan.